Hello y'all, this is Nanakava here. This will be a tutorial on how to wire a light switch. I do want to make a disclaimer, this is not for like building houses and stuff. This is just from what I know. I'm not a licensed electrician, this is just what I've learned. So, first thing I want to do is, I've already got all my wires stripped and ready, and I've curled both neutral wires. This will be important later. So first things first, if you want to take your two neutral wires and take your and you want to kind of twist them and cap it off. As in right here, you got a bit of wire sticking out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now unscrew it. It completely broke that wire nut. So cap those off. Now I'm gonna set I am going to
try to use some wood because people aren't. This might even be a perfect little phone holder.
there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take my two neutral wires. Here's the one that's coming into the box. Here's the one going to the light, which will be later installed here. So I'm gonna install it like this. Here it's as loose as possible. And I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna do the same.
Yeah, here. It might get ugly. I use the wire. Show me what you're trying to do.
So basically,
The grounds? No, you use a green wire nut to connect the grounds.
where is that at?
Right here, in boxes.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and Mr. Bugie, do I just cap these two together?
So you put, you cut one of them short. And then you thread it through the long one. That's why it has a hole in it. It should just push through. So push it down to like right there. And then you'll be able to get those to go together. Yep, just like that. Squeeze them together a little more. Tight.
And
Is that as tight as it goes?
yep.
Okay, and then we just need to make sure that they're not going to come out. So that's good.
Now we'll
No. Oh yeah, you got to roll it over.
curl the wire. And boom. Oh, I hear a northbound going by. There's a northbound going by. Now, I don't have any screws yet, but also before I tuck the wires in, you want it to look something like this. So this is going out and this is going in, and I also want the grounding wire to be connected. That. And then the neutral is connected, and this is for the light. So yeah, next we'll be learning how to install an outlet. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.